Hi, my name is Diane Legree, and I serve as the Dean of Student Affairs for Six College, and this presentation is about academic integrity at UCSD. I'll cover where you can find the academic integrity policy, examples of misconduct, examples of consequences for violating the policy, and examples of your rights and responsibilities as a student going through the process. You are responsible for knowing the UCSD policy on integrity of scholarship, and on the screen is the link to the Academic Senate policy. Additionally, all incoming students need to complete a mandatory academic integrity training. The deadline to complete that training is Monday of week 3. The Academic Integrity Office sends out information to students the beginning of September, so be on the lookout for that email. Students who don't complete that training will have a hold placed on their account, which prohibits them from registering for classes for winter quarter. On the screen, you'll see some examples of academic integrity misconduct. These are some of the most common cases that I see, ranging from plagiarism to contract cheating. Most students don't intend to cheat, but find themselves in desperate situations, which I call panic cheating. If you are struggling with your coursework, I encourage you to speak to your instructor or teaching assistant instead, or you can come into the Six College office to discuss academic support resources. These are examples of consequences for academic integrity violations. So you could find yourself either doing workshops, you could find yourself with disciplinary sanctions such as a suspension, which would be a separation from UCSD or another UC. You could find yourself in a situation of dismissal. Your disciplinary file is a part of your educational record and stays on file for 7 years. So that's something that's very important to know. The top link on the page is where you can find additional information, again, about the academic integrity process. It's really important that you read your syllabus. Some classes have a separate academic integrity agreement. Some classes, such as computer science and engineering, maybe some math classes or physics classes, but it's really important that you read your syllabus, because your syllabus is the contract between your instructor and you and outlines your expectations around academic integrity. It is at your instructor's discretion if they will impose a grade penalty for an academic integrity violation. Some instructors may assign a 0 for an assignment, or some instructors may give you an F in the class if there is an academic integrity violation. So it's really important that you pay attention to your syllabus, or if there is a separate academic integrity agreement, that you pay attention to that. If you are accused of a violation, you do have due process as a student. You will be notified in writing to your UCSD email account. You will have the opportunity to schedule a meeting with the conduct officer. You can either accept responsibility. In that case, you will be assigned sanctions. If you contest the charges, you have the ability to go to a hearing. In either process, you have the ability to submit an appeal. If you have further questions about the academic integrity process or the academic integrity policy, you can go to the website on the screen, which is the Academic Integrity Office. If you have questions about anything covered in this presentation, please feel free to email me at dlegree@ucsd.edu. I look forward to seeing you in the fall.